In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Java to MySQL database using Eclipse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting a Java application and Eclipse to a database involves two main steps. You will need to add the MySQL JDBC driver to your project's build path, and then writing Java code to establish and manage the connection. So first, add MySQL JDBC driver to Eclipse. So download the MySQL connector/j. So obtain the appropriate version from the website here. Once you have it downloaded and ready to go, add it to the project build path. So in Eclipse's Package Explorer, right-click your Java project, go to Properties, and in there, add external jars. Once you add the external jar that you downloaded, browse to the location, click Open, and Apply. Now import the necessary classes. As you can see, they are going to be java.sql.connection, java.sql.driverManager, and finally java.sql.sqlException. Next, load the JDBC driver. So this is what it's going to look like roughly. So you will have it listed here alongside this description. And then you need to establish the connection. So import everything like this. Of course, some parts will have to be replaced, so I've left comments here. Replace with your database URL, replace with your MySQL username, and then with your MySQL password. After you have established a connection like this, for Resource Manage, it is important that you close the connection. So leave this at the end and ensure that your MySQL server is running and accessible from your system, and the database and credentials provided in the code match the setup. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.